Content analysis of farm broadcast programs of Andhra Pradesh, India. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Agriculture is the life of rural people where most of their livelihood depends. Technologies developed by the scientific fraternity are of no value unless they get into farming fields. The study was taken up to investigate the trend and frequency of coverage of agricultural information in popular farm broadcasts, namely Pasadi Pantlu and Annatta, in a quantitative manner. 1 year content of two popular farm programs of the Telugu language, namely Pasadi Pantlu and Annatta, telecasted over Doordarshan Saptagiri, public sector, and Enadu television, private sector, channel were recorded by using a set-top box. The entire content was categorized into 6 categories after preliminary watching. The 6 categories, namely enterprise-wise, crop-wise, organization-wise, package of practice-wise, duration-wise, and mode of presentation-wise. The entire content was thoroughly watched, the frequency of occurrence of the programs was counted and percentages were worked out. The results indicated that, in the Pasadi Pantlu program, more emphasis and more time was allotted to agriculture enterprise, 33.49%. Whereas, in the Annatta program, horticulture enterprise occupied first place with 41.55%. Both channels gave more emphasis to the straight talk mode of presentation with 71.41% and 98.09% programs respectively. The study also indicated that research scientists are the main resource persons in both programs. Both the channels gave the least importance to crucial enterprises like fisheries, 7.06% and 3.88%, sericulture, 3.08% and 1.45%, and poultry, 1.14% and 1.58%. As the growing domestic and international market value of enterprises like fisheries, poultry, and sericulture, the coverage of these enterprises needs be to improved in both programs. As a public sector channel, the coverage of general information needs to be reduced and replaced with crop and other enterprise-related information in Doordarshan, Saptagiri. It was also recorded that there is no coverage on most important crops like jowar and ground nut. Instead of research scientists, give preference to the extension scientists from KVKS and DAATTCAs, as they have practical and diversified knowledge of crops. As a public sector channel, the coverage of general information needs to be reduced and replaced with crop and other enterprise-related information. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.